You are not overwhelmed. You are weak from noise. Your mind collapses because it has never learned silence. Pause here. If this already makes you uncomfortable, that is the point. Subscribe now. Like the video, not for support, for commitment. You do not drift into discipline. You step into it on purpose. Comfort ruined you. Constant stimulation, endless scrolling, instant relief. The modern mind runs on dopamine and breaks under pressure. It reacts. It panics. It escapes. It has no command structure. This is the enemy, a nervous system trained for pleasure, not control. Ancient Japan diagnosed this centuries ago. Samurai, Zen monks. They did not train happiness. They trained stillness under threat, calm inside chaos. A mind so quiet it could choose without trembling. Not peace, control. Here is the system. Step 1. Remove reaction. When discomfort hits, do nothing. No escape, no distraction. Stay. Let the urge burn itself out. Step 2. Fixed exposure. Same time, same stress. Every day, silence, cold, boredom. The body adapts. The mind follows. Step 3. Pre-decided response. Decide now how you act under pressure. Later, you obey. No debate. Neuroscience supports this. Repeated calm under stress rewires threat circuits. The brain stops panicking because it learns safety in stillness. You change. You become dangerous, not loud, not emotional, unshakable. Calm becomes a weapon. Presence replaces fear. You are no longer normal. So ask yourself this and answer honestly in the comments. When pressure arrives, do you react or do you decide?